our sink broke and there was a wasp nest which we had to get it removed all within a month's time. This was our welcome to San Jose, San Francisco. This is the table and the chair that we purchased and got delivered like this. Let's convert our house into home together, shall we now? This is us finally leaving from our Airbnb to our new rented apartment. And if you've not watched our Airbnb video, I'm going to link it above here for you guys to watch it. So we've officially moved in our new apartment here in San Jose, San Francisco Bay Area in California, and we are obviously super excited. Just moved in and we are going to do a little Grah Pravesh. We're going to do a little Grah Pravesh. We are just heading out right now to get some lunch for us and a few things like coconut, milk and some flowers for our small puja here at home. So that's Kunal, my husband, my overexcited husband. That's all our luggage that we're going to put. This is our living room. That's our balcony from where we have a view of the entire community. And किधर लेके जा रहा है? Yeah, that's our washer and dryer. And this is our storage space. We are yet to decide what we are going to store here.
We are going to store Parita's bags here.
And yeah, this is the washroom. Got some detergent, some toilet rolls. We need to get shower curtains, shampoos and other things. And this is our closet storage space. Dikha, how big is it? It's almost a room. Yeah, and this is the bedroom. And this is the kitchen island. It has, okay, not here. Oh yeah, it has these cabinets and plugs as well. This is the fridge. A lot of...
This is the fridge.
Oh, sorry.
This is the fridge.
Pakad. And all the houses here, they come in built-in microwave, oven, induction cooktop, fridge, microwave, washer, dryer, and of course our star dishwasher. Yeah, dishwasher. And this is a dishwasher exhaust. I love this. You can. Okay, yeah, it's here. And it has cold and hot water as well. These are our gods, whom we are going to unpack now in some time. This cooktop shows time as well. And yeah, the last thing is our coat, closet, and even shoe rack is going to be here. Even this is pretty huge. Even this is pretty huge. Okay. We are going to have some lunch now. See you. Bye. We have our house now, and you can see there's a lot of mess. There are clothes, there are suitcases, there are things that we got from India. There are things that we got from Target, IKEA, Costco, and new Indian stores. I was thinking of making this vlog one by one, but because it's a weekend and then Kunal is going to be free now, so we thought we'll wind everything up now. So this is not even 10% of the things that we've gotten to set up our house. And let me show you one by one. I think let's start with IKEA first and Target, because those things are here ready for me to show you guys. These are the things that I already had from India, which I got, and I really love this corn cob, which is salt and pepper. Got this from Target for around $1.5 only. Then I also got this from Target, which is a butter dish. I got this for $5. I really love how colorful everything is. Then we got these metal cups, tumblers. So yeah, even I think this was for 1.5 if I remember correctly. Then all these things, they look very pretty, but now I understand why our parents did not have these beautiful things inside the house, because they are not convenient at all. So, and it's extremely time consuming. So now I get it. I am entering the adulting phase now. I've ended up returning most of these beautiful, gorgeous things because they are not practical or not convenient. I just need things to fill up, use it, and put it away. We got this for $1. Q-tips, which has paper sticks, so no plastic, environment friendly. We got these, okay, hangers. I got it from IKEA while we are here. Got these for $1 or $2. Got this entire rack. It's 3, 6. There's somewhere 9 hangers for $1 or $2 if I remember correctly. Then we got this sheet which will absorb water once we have washed it. This is from Target and we paid around $9, but we saw the same one in IKEA for $2. I just wish we had known this earlier. We got these cutlery, the bowls and one plate for 50 cents each. This is of plastic, and we had just moved in and we needed some cutlery, so this was just some makeshift option that we got for. Then we got this beautiful bowls, and yeah, these are from IKEA again. I think I'll just mix Target and IKEA shopping right now because everything's spread out. These, I think I got this plates.
IKEA.
So even these plates, ceramic plates, are from IKEA as well. Really love the color and the texture and the beauty of it. This is dishwasher and microwave friendly, so it works out for us. I think this is somewhere around $15 per piece, or for the entire set if I remember correctly.
$15 for the set.
For the set, okay. That's Kunal helping.
I'll order food instead of buying a $15 plate.
So this is for say chicken or fish. We're going to marinate it and put it in the oven to cook it. I think this is for $5. It's made up of glass. And yeah, this mug, special mention, this we got when we went to watch The Lion King in New York. So that's here.
How much did you get it for?
Okay, so this I got from IKEA. This is a microwave protector. Basically, it will protect from the food. It will protect the food to not splash everywhere in the oven.
Microwave.
Sorry, in the microwave. This I got for $1.5 from IKEA again. Then this is our new India Bazaar shopping cart, which I'll come to little later once we have all the stacks of Costco and New India. I'll just wind up IKEA and Target as of now. So then we got...
And then we got this bhakarwadi as well. Chitre Vandu rocks.
Kunal is the happiest. So yeah, we got these 3 sets for our leftover foods or anything as such. These are from IKEA again. This one, a glass container, is for $2. And all these 3 lids which are sold separately are for $2. So this lid is not airtight though, and this turns out to be a chopping board as well. We got this lid for $1 or $2. Then
80 cents.
yeah, then we got this to keep our utensils. These again for I think $2 or $3. These are plastic bowls just to store something. Yeah, then this is a strainer to strain rice, pasta, noodles, poha. Yeah, and
Quinoa.
oh yeah, quinoa too. If it requires strainer, I don't know. And this is
Grater.
yeah, thank you. This is a grater where you can grate carrots like this and cucumber like this. So this is just so that it becomes interesting for us to have our salads and we eat it. This is yeah, I think this one was for $5. The strainer is for around, I don't remember. I'll just look in the bill and I'll write it here. This is a cutlery organizer where we'll divide spoons, forks, etc. And I think this was for $1.5 as well. Then I think this is the last one. These are coasters, so if there's any hot vessel, we are going to put it on this. And yeah.
Also, we bought this glass cups,
Glass glasses.
glass glasses, so that we can pour some whiskey with some chilled ice.
Yeah, I think, and yeah, we got this comforter from Target. What else did we get from Target?
That's it.
So comforters in the room, of course, so you can come with us. So this is something that I newly came to know about, that this is a duvet and a flat sheet and a fitted sheet. So fitted sheet basically has an elastic. There's a mattress, then a mattress protector in case there are bed bugs, so you use that. And then you put the fitted sheet with elastic. You sleep, then you have the flat sheet, and then you have the duvet. So this is the process, which was so new to me. And they also come with pillow covers and 2 pillows for decoration purpose. I can just find one right now. The other will be here somewhere.
Hello new day, hello new challenge. I had to unpack this set of new cookware set which we got from Costco for only $110, but turns out that it is so massive. I couldn't understand when I was buying it. I video called my mom, I video called Kunal's mom to get an idea if we will really require this. Thankfully we will not, because one vessel was size of my torso and we are just 2 people here. I am so grateful for Costco's return policies, where however I managed to pack it with all the cardboard boxes and all the plastic wrap. I got the entire refund of this on the next day itself. The repackaging was very messy, but I made sure that I took everything back.
So this is day 6 of us moving in our new apartment, and we have ordered ourselves, I mean Kunal has ordered himself a table and a chair for him to work from home, and so his job is remote plus visiting the clients. And this is the chair. This is the chair, and now we have to assemble it. And now I'm going to show you the table. This is the table. Wish us luck. We borrowed some tools from our friends. And now we'll show you how to assemble a table and a chair.
This was the first furniture that we were assembling, and surprisingly we were very patient and got done within an hour's time, if I remember correctly.
are heading to IKEA right now. We want to return some things and pick up few more things. So I'm going to show that to you in the house tour because things are going so hectic and chaotic that I cannot tell you. There's lot of things happening simultaneously. So once I show you the entire house, and I'm going to show you the entire house in bits and pieces as well. So I'll keep on telling you guys what I've got from where and for how much. So
Side table लेने गए, side table.
this is another day here in our house, and today we are making a bookcase which we got from IKEA, and I think I'm getting through. I thought it would be difficult, but it's not. I'm through with this two of such stands, and all the instructions are pretty clear in the book. I have segregated these nuts and bolts. Yeah, so all of them are here. Our friends were generous enough to lend us this toolkit, but I think we should get this one for ourselves from IKEA soon. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted about how I am doing. I'm actually lefty, but somehow I think the tools, I'm comfortable with operating the tools from right hand somehow.
How I wish in reality also this was the speed of assembling our furniture. We could have hired someone to fix and assemble all our furniture, but that would cost us somewhere around $100 to $200, and we thought slowly and steadily we'll do this ourselves because the bookshelf cost somewhere around just $20 to $30. If you purchase your entire furniture from IKEA, you can pay $80 approximately and get them to fix your entire and every IKEA furniture at home. But because we've just moved in from India, even these expenses count a lot, and yeah, we were enjoying this as well, fixing everything ourselves, learning new skills at 32. It's a different experience which I don't think we would have gotten this to do back home. And I thought I'll be able to do this by myself, and I think I was successful. In hindsight and retrospect, I still feel that I would have been able to do it myself if Kunal wouldn't have volunteered. But of course, his assistance helped fasten up the process, and this was extremely time consuming. So I'm glad that we could get done with this task. So eventually it's a step forward to setting up a house, and technically I could get back to my job hunt. This is our small Devara with all our gods, food that we eat, and 4th of July sale. We are really grateful to you. We got so many appliances, so many things that we require for our house, and that is us going to our trash room where we dispose our trash on our floor. Today has been a very interesting day, and a lot of things have happened today. The wasp guy came, so if you can see, there's this wasp nest here. Thankfully it was not honeybees, because for them then we would have to call someone else and not from maintenance, and we would have to try our luck in finding someone for free to do it, because bees are conserved and because of extinction fear. Also, oh my god, they're back again, need to call maintenance. He removed it. There were 3 of them and he removed all of it. This is the second time we had to call someone here. The induction cooker's cooktop was not working, so they replaced the entire induction for us, and our sink broke. I mean, what is happening in the first month itself, right? But in hindsight, I'm glad that we are getting done with it. Our sink broke because it could not bear the weight of all the vessels that I had put in, and thankfully the maintenance, they came in no time. We had put up an urgent request. They literally came within 1 hour of us putting the request on the app.
of our society. They came and he tried to fix it, but he couldn't, so he had to call someone. And this fellow, he came the next day, took 3 hours to fix the sink, but yeah, it's done now. Voila, we are ready to open our kitchen.
A new day, a new American problem. The clothes release lint here and we need to wash dryer and washer as well. So we got these dryer balls which collect the lint in and around. Also, it reduces wrinkles, so that is less task for us for ironing. We need to iron, but it's less.
कैसा ना यहाँ पे सब लोग मतलब पाई का भी हिसाब रखते हैं.
We picked up a few things. We picked up these hangers, 20 hangers for $2. And now we are going, so this is Facebook Marketplace from where we are picking things up, where people who move around, it's pretty common in the US for people to move around for their job, for their education and other reasons, or shifting from one rented apartment to another. So then they sell a lot of things on Facebook Marketplace for cheap. And this is what we are doing, a few basic things or some things where no mattresses, so that we avoid the issue of bed bugs. Upholstery or anything cotton related or appliances is what we are avoiding, and we are figuring things out what we can take from Facebook Marketplace. So we are now going to destination number 2. It's in and around San Jose, and let's see now what destination 2 holds for us. So the second place that we went to had hangers again. They were moving out to some other place, so they were moving out. They had loads of hangers. We got some photo frames, everything, loads of things for $5 only. And then we went to a third place, which were they were selling organizers. I'll just show it to you here. And basically it was unfortunate that this fellow's business didn't work out as he expected to, but worked out in our favor that we got, I think, 25 of these organizers for just $20. Otherwise in IKEA you get one for $10 to $15.
I think this is day 20 in San Francisco, and we've gotten to start building our work table for Kunal.
Let me know if you guys think that we'll be successful at assembling this table. Give us a yay in the comment if you think we will be. क्या लग गया? चलेगा रहने. We are 30 minutes in and it is almost done. I think we should be able to finish.
Yeah, so that was it. Our table was done in almost an hour, and this table increases and decreases, adjusts its height as per our requirement. So we really loved it. Kunal and I can use it as and when required because of this feature without damaging our posture.
कौन सा? इधर भी लिखना चाहिए ना राइट.
ये देख ये F.
We got this Roomba because we realized that our vacuum cleaner was occupying a lot of our time and energy. So this basically is a robot which will sweep and mop your house. And because it's an apartment, a Roomba is much better and easier. You start it by pressing this remote button here, and it does a decent job. Of course, it doesn't do deep cleaning, but we are happy with what it's doing, and we are able to buy back our time. Thanks 4th of July for the sale again. And once you press the home button, it goes back to its place. Thanks to the return policies here, we've returned our vacuum cleaner. We are paying $2,700 per month here in San Jose. Obviously, I cannot tell you the name of the neighborhood because of safety reasons, but a lot of the rate would depend obviously upon the costing. If you are living in Fremont, Milpitas, or any other areas as such, Santana Row or downtown. So yeah, and we also ended up getting three or 4 weeks off, so that's practically a month free, which the cost is divided in the second month and third month itself. And in case we terminate our lease before 12 months, and also depending upon property to property, your lease months would differ from 12 months, 13 months, or maximum 14 months. Ours thankfully is for 12 months, and in case you terminate your lease before that, you have to pay them a 6 months rent upfront to terminate your lease. That is a very blurred video of us unboxing our mattress, which takes around 72 hours to expand and fluff up. This is us taking out the air mattress outside in the hall for us to sleep for the night. Instead of us deflating it and inflating it again, we were extremely tired. So that was it. Hit that subscribe button and please send good juju for us. See you.